when they have a lot of interaction with teenage girls.
Yeah.
That's a warning sign. And sometimes when people come on here, they tell stories that aren't believable. They're kind of crazy. You come across as very credible.
According to him, I make all this stuff up in my head because I'm crazy. You know, I want to brainwash the whole world. So I'm brainwashing y'all to know, like, this is me doing mind power on y'all, okay?
These are Shakira's lie detector results. We asked you, did you really see incest pornographic videos on Eric's computer? You stated yes. Did you fabricate a story that Eric touched your daughter? You answered no. Did you coach your daughter to say that Eric molested her? You answered no. And the results came back all the same, and it came back that you told the truth.
So am I lying now? Did I make this up? Am I brainwashing our child?
Well, she told the truth about seeing pornography.
Family incest porn, not just regular porn. Family incest porn. That's not regular porn. That's father and daughter. It's not regular porn. That's disgusting.
Whose idea was to come on the show?
Mine. I called the show.
You got Eric to come on the show. And you got Eric to take a lie detector test. And we asked Eric, have you ever sexually molested your 2-year-old daughter? And Eric answered no. And the result for his lie detector test is he...
My daughter. I believe she is trying to poison me.
I don't know if we can
Look at this
on
one.
the show. It's
You down?
This is nuts.
She put Clorox in the pancake batter.
Did you do any of these things?
Yes, sir.
I knew it!
Listen!